The Lake Turkana Wind Power project is situated in Marsabit County, Loiyangalani district at the southern tip of the Lake Turkana in Sarima. The project has a footprint of 40,000 acres. Winds of Change Foundation is a program of the Lake Turkana Wind Power project working with the communities within the project's footprint and neighboring areas. Winds of Change has identified several projects that would benefit and improve the lives of the communities, especially those living along the newly upgraded road from Laisames to Sarima. This include education, health and water among others. The upgrading of the road was done by Lake Turkana Wind Power project. This has eased the transportation of people, livestock, produce and other goods to markets across the region. Kurungu Facilitation Office in South Hore, which Lake Turkana Wind Power project has used since 2014, was handed over to the community to be converted into a maternity facility, further improving the healthcare of the people of Kurungu.
We as Lake Turkana Wind Power, we are very happy to hand over this building, which has been here since 2014. And I do sincerely hope that it will make a difference in your everyday life. And very, very good luck with your maternity ward.
In Buriaramia, the Winds of Change recently handed over the health facility that was upgraded and equipped in a colorful ceremony graced by the Marsabit County Government Senior Representative in charge of health.
We're really excited today to have handed over the Buriaramia Health Facility. Essentially the work entailed here to upgrade the facility. We provided solar power as well as put in shelving and put in a solar fridge. This was just one of the many partnerships that we are hoping to enter with the local community. Through its Winds of Change Foundation, we've partnered with some of our contractors, and in this case with Vestas.
This is a great moment for our county because we are able to get some assistance from the Lake Turkana Wind Power project. We are able to get equipment, delivery unit for our mothers, and the toilets has been done. And this will be a great impact in our service delivery to the people around the core.
Lake Turkana Wind Power project, through Winds of Change Foundation, has installed a solar-powered reverse osmosis water system in Sarima village.
So it may not necessarily be drilling boreholes, but upgrading facilities, providing pumping equipment. So that's just part of a little bit of the work that the Winds of Change team is doing in Laisames constituency together with its partners.
Winds of Change Foundation launched an intensive HIV and AIDS education program, testing and public health awareness campaign in January 2014. This has been followed up with a 12-month HIV awareness prevention and testing campaign that started in January 2016.
Today is a market day of love, and we are going to sensitize those who are in the market on HIV/AIDS as well as road safety. It's an opportunity which has come to our doorstep. Having a lot of people coming from all over the country and even all over the world, you are going to have interaction of people with different social backgrounds, cultural backgrounds. That means then our local community needs to be at par. They need to be sensitized and at least equipped with skills on HIV/AIDS and road safety.
So far we managed go to many centers, especially on the road from Laisames to Sarima, which is the road which was constructed by Lake Turkana Wind Power.
Winds of Change Foundation is part of the community, and its involvement in the Marsabit Lake Turkana Cultural Festival added to the spectacular events in this very special annual event. Top on the list was a 10-kilometer run. The starting point was WoC, with the majestic wind turbines in the background. And the race began shortly after sunrise, drawing participants from the community and those working on the project. And what a way to start the day.
Nimetoka Samburu, mahali naitwa Wamba. Race leo ni smart sana. Tuseme sahi kama mpande ya mpira wakimbiaji wako. Lakini ni vile wamekosa hii mbio sasa. Lakini kama imeanza sisi tunatia bidii. Tuone kama tutajaribu mahali ingine. Nimefurahia sana. Kwa sababu mchezo kama hii ikiingia kwetu hata sisi tutapata champion.
A few kilometers away, at the Loiyangalani Cultural Festival grounds, different communities gathered showcasing their traditional songs and resplendent outfits in a 3-day festival that sees many of the traditional communities meeting in a central place, interacting and sharing their performance stage. This festival has helped foster peace among the communities. The Lake Turkana Wind Power Project and Winds of Change also sponsored a cocktail at the Desert Museum, overlooking the magnificent Lake Turkana, also called by some the Jade Sea.
The festival has been growing from strength to strength. We are currently getting guests and visitors from all over the world, and it's really growing. And in a very special way, I want to thank Lake Turkana Wind Power for having partnered with the county to support a number of activities this year. We are not taking their support for granted. Their presence here in this region of less than 20-30 kilometers from here has really changed the socio-economic dynamics of the county. Construction of a new road, support to a number of social facilities, including hospitals, including education, a lot of employment for our people. We are really happy because they are here. And a lot is happening, and we are grateful for the support that we've had over time.
And as the sun sets on the festival, Winds of Change Foundation looks forward to a long and lasting relationship with the people of Marsabit.